The Toyota bZ4X concept anticipates that people will expect an EV experience without any compromises. A form experience that marries both dynamism and utility, one that can embrace high lift, yet at the same time feel planted on the road. One where the surfaces feel both emotional, yet at the same time precise and high-tech. Or maybe it's an experience which looks forward to an era where sensors are more important than the traditional radiator grille. Where the combination of those sensors, the headlights, and aerodynamic elements into a hammerhead-type form give the vehicle a whole new attitude and presence. You know, people's priorities are changing. Digital connectivity is now a fundamental part of our lifestyles. The drive module with adaptive steer-by-wire grip creates a new driving experience where the driver is equally connected to both car, road, and information. A fresh and engaging fun-to-drive experience. The Toyota bZ experience is so much more than the EV powertrain itself. I hope you will enjoy this experience beyond zero.